I know people are moaning all the time about having to use Zoom, but I think Zoom is great. And if you have a presentation coming up, Zoom is the best tool there is to rehearse for it. It doesn't matter whether the presentation is online or in front of 1,000 people. Zoom will get you ready. And part of the way it does that is that it records the rehearsal so that after you're done rehearsing, you look at the tape, do more of what worked, fix that which isn't working, and march into your next presentation way more confident. Zoom is also pretty good for working with teams. The problem with rehearsing a team is that everybody's all over the city. But with Zoom, you could pull everyone in to a virtual conference room, rehearse them thoroughly, rehearse them multiple times, look at the tape, and you're now good to go. So it doesn't matter whether your next presentation is online or in front of Congress. Use Zoom to rehearse for it. It'll make you an infinitely stronger presenter.